Hi everybody, Robert Jones back in the tasting corner with you today, and today I am continuing my chip series. So many chips, so little time. This is part 3 of the Sprouts chip tasting. This video has part 3 and it also has 3 bags of chips. I don't know if there's a number 12, but 11 is as far as I could find. Let's see. Number 9, we have a dill pickle. We also have number 10, which is a truffle. Interesting. And also a hatch chili. Now, I'm kind of excited about the hatch chilies because I am a green chili fanatic. Go to New Mexico, red or green? Green, always green. Green, always green. All right, these are the Sprouts Market chips from Arizona. They are from Phoenix, Arizona. Let's get started. All right, I'm going to start with the truffle chips since these are the least spicy of these ones. I like to go from least spicy to most spicy, or at least what I anticipate going to be most spicy, so that I don't blow out my tongue. Let's see, these have potatoes, sunflower and safflower oil, cane sugar, rice flour, salt, onion, and garlic powder, mushroom powder, should be interesting. Includes black truffle, spices, and rice starch. So, that might be very interesting. This one is non-GMO, it says right there, and it's kosher. All right, favorite part, snippy, snippy. I was afraid I'm gonna like get my hair or my beard. All right, snippy, 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 snippy. There we go. Ooh, that was rough. All right. You know what it smells like? Potato chips. All right. You guys see, boop-a-doop, in the bag, boop-a-doop. Yep, they don't look very different. They just look like potato. Oh, they have little specks on them. You see the specks. All right, pretty thin. Oh. These are good. Wow. Okay. Very mushroomy, and I like that a lot. If you don't like mushrooms, you might not like these. True confession time. True confession time. When I was a kid, my introduction to cooking and learning how to cook when I was a latchkey kid was all of the understanding that comes from Campbell's soup, cream of mushroom soup made into everything. Casseroles, stroganoff, soup, you name it. Cream of mushroom soup was my jam. I loved it. I still like it to this day, although my palate is a little more refined and it still has a little starchy taste to it now. But this being mushroom flavor, totally dig it. I know. What 8-year-old is all about mushrooms? Whatever. All right, one more of these because it's good. Truffle, yes. These are about a 9. Love them. All right, one more because they're so good. I'm shocked. Truffle chips. Who knew? And today, instead of coffee, because we're getting ready for summer here, because apparently it needs to be 80 degrees in order to taste test chips, and because our weather is so funky, I'm having a little lemonade to wash it all down with. Let's see, what is next? Down here, oh, we have dill pickle. I thought these were all chili, but I guess they're not. This is dill pickle. Listen. Snippy, snippy action. Snippy, 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 snippy. Okay, this great bright green bag also says non-GMO. Crispy Crunch Dill Pickle. They have potatoes, oil, corn, maltodextrin, salt, vinegar, citric acid, dehydrated onion, tartaric acid. This is the first one to have tartaric acid. And spices, yeast extract, natural flavors, and dried garlic. So, before I taste these, let me remind you. So, before I taste these, let me remind you, I'm having some giveaways going on. If you'd like, subscribe, and give a comment. For those that like, subscribe, and give a comment, I'll be giving away some tea towels with Your Everyday Santa. They hang nicely on your oven. They're also great for drying dishes, or having at your party, or making a headscarf, or a gym towel, or any kind of rag you'd like. Also, I do have some t-shirts left over, and I will be giving away some of those. So, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Love to have you come back. Tell you some more. All right. Let's taste these bad boys. Ooh, they're very lightly colored. Very light colored. And it looks like they have some herbs. Can you see the herbs? Herbs. Or maybe it's pickles. Oh. That's pickly. 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 It's very herby. And now it's an airplane. You know, the great thing about living by the airport, you get to pause whenever an airplane goes overhead. All right, let's give it another taste. So, first impressions. It definitely smells like the herbs inside a pickle. I don't necessarily know that it smells of pickle, but I can definitely smell dill and things like that. It says natural flavors. I don't know what those natural flavors are, but I would definitely say that there's probably some dill since I can see it in here. And it also says it has dehydrated garlic. So I can definitely taste the garlic. So if your bubby is making you some pickles, and yeah, that kind of tastes like that. They do have a little bit of a vinegar note, not like the sea salt and vinegar ones that we tasted in video number 1, but and I don't know why, but these ones are super crunchy. Listen to this. Yeah. These are pretty good. I give these an 8. I don't normally like sour things. I like pickles. But like sour things, like Sour Patch Kids and stuff. And these aren't too bad. I would totally get these again. This is number 8. I would give these an 8. These are number 9. I give it an 8. All right, let's go. Last one of the Sprout series as I shake them into oblivion. This is the Hatch Chili Hot Spicy. It says right there, hot spicy. Do you like hot and spicy? Give me a comment. Snippy, snippy. I don't know. You know, it's kind of funny. Some of these are in small bags, and some of them are in larger bags. This says it's 141 grams, or 5 ounces, and this says it's 7 ounces. But when I feel it in my hand, well, I guess this does feel a little bit heavier. All right, enough of my yapping. Let's see, what's it got? Oh, these are kind of... Whoa, those are strong. These are the Hatch Chili, just a reminder. Hatch Chili. They are a little greenish. Greenish, or they're just dark. I can't tell. Okay, first of all, the potato is super thin. These are a lot more light and crispy. Those are super crunchy. The pickle chips. It says hot. I don't taste any heat at all. Okay. I don't taste chili. What I get is like the smell of chili. You can definitely smell like... It doesn't smell like green salsa. It smells like when you're cutting up chilies. You know what I'm talking about? These are interesting. Like, I have to go back for more tastes. I'll do 2 this time. I think what's throwing me is 2 things. First of all, the consistency of the potato is very different than the last one. These are super, super thin. You know, like Lay's potato chips original are super thin. If you're not in the United States, you know what Lay's are. Sorry. But, like, it's so thin, you could smash it with your tongue on the roof of your mouth. That's how thin it is. And if I put it in my mouth, you can't even hardly hear it, I don't think. I would say these are good. I give these an 8 as well. I would totally eat these again. But I'm trying to think of what to tell you about them. Because they're... First of all, I keep wanting to poke them in my face, so that's a good sign. But if you had told me to do this blindfolded, I don't think I could distinguish what the flavor was. It's something herbal, something vegetable-y, but I couldn't tell you it was a Hatch chili. But I do like them. So, all right, let's wrap this up. So, we have the 3 flavors. Again, the truffle. These are super my jam. Yeah, I want to eat those more. The pickles are okay. I like them for the crunch. They're definitely crunchy, and they have a little bit of a bite. And the Hatch, it's not really that distinct. It's interesting as a variety, as there's 11 different packs of chips, but I can't tell you that, like, it's a Hatch chili. So, there you go. All right, you guys, there's the 3 Sprout flavors. Remember, having a contest. Remember to like and subscribe, give me a comment, and we will give away some good stuff. I hope you guys are doing well. It's nice to be back. It's nice to be doing some videos. So that concludes video 3 of the Sprouts chips flavors. And I have one more chip flavor to do for you guys. That'll be video number 4, but it's not Sprouts. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. This is EudaemoniusMarkII, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.